Krytox 205 Grade 0 is the well-known good switch lube because the community says that. Yeah. Is the Krytox 205 Grade 0 is really that good? Or there's a great affordable switch lube that's hidden among us? To answer the question, we have 3 lubes. We have a singer oil because it sings. We have WD-40. And we have butter. So, to start the test, I'm gonna be using 3 blue switches, 2 for the loops, 1 for the control. The escape key is the control switch, and we are going to compare the sounds of the switches. Oh, come on, get in. And here are some blue switch sound. So what is the difference between loop switch and stock switch? The answer is pretty simple, to be honest. Stock switch has a stringy sound and loop switch don't have the stringy sound because we are getting rid of it by looping it. And that's why the mechanical keyboard community loop their keyboard switches. And here's some Osu gameplay with the stock switch. Audio testing, no, audio synchronization 1, 2, 3, audio sync 1, 2, 3. No! No. This is sad. No. 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 So now we are going to lube with the singer oil. For opening the switch, I will not recommend this method because you will hurt yourself like I did in a video. It's like you're building a PC without the right tools. And here I'm gonna be using a brush. For the butter, I will use the same technique, except I will use butter. After looping the switch, I was kinda bit surprised that the clickiness of the switch is gone. Here's some comparison with the stock switch. For the WD-40, I'm just gonna spray lube it. So yeah. Now that we are finished with the switch, let's do some sound test. So yeah, I think that's it for the video. I was thinking to put like a 5 minute of Osu gameplay, but it will be useless. So yeah, I will see you in the next video and bye.